Christmas trees. You'll need ready waffle crusts. Press a cookie cutter to make a Christmas tree. Melt green colored chocolate in a double boiler. Use a silicone spatula to cover the Christmas trees with the chocolate. Use a spoon to apply texture to one tree. Use a toothpick to pierce holes for threads. Decorate the Christmas trees with sprinkles, edible glitter, and green coconut shavings. Edible trees! We'll never prick a finger on the sweet trees. The wand uses real magic. I'm going to conjure a surprise gift for my cat princess. A mug? No. A candle? No. Fish? What's that got to do with it? Okay, my magic ability needs some training. Ah, a gift box. She'll certainly like it. Wait, I'll decorate it with edible snowflakes. Melt blue chocolate and transfer it into a Ziploc bag or a pastry bag. Snip off a corner. Cover a printed out picture of snowflakes with baking paper. Trace the images. Sprinkle with edible glitter before it dries. Remove the hardened snowflakes while pulling the paper carefully from the table edge. They're sparkly and delicate, just like my golden-haired princess. What else should I conjure? Here's the pretty girl holding a plate in her hands. Okay, I'll create more sweets. Cream 2 ounces of soft butter and 2 ounces of sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in an egg yolk and a spoonful of liquid honey. Stir well. In a separate bowl, combine 1 cup of sifted flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and the same quantity of baking soda. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Stir the dry ingredients. Add it into the creamed mixture. Roll into a ball. Cover it with plastic wrap and refrigerate for about an hour. Roll the cool dough and cut with a gingerbread cookie cutter. Make a hole with a thin tube for thread to pass through. Heat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 10 minutes. Decorate the cookies with the colored icing from the Ziplocs. Make faces and clothes to keep them warm. Pass thread through the hole and tie a knot. Gingerbread is the scent of the season, and the thread can be used as dental floss. The crafty unicorn girl's using the magic wand for her benefit. She's conjured to get X-ray vision, and now she can see through the wrapping to know what's inside the gift boxes. What a foxy girl! She's putting aside what she doesn't like. Aha! This is interesting. I think I should take this gift box. While my friend is busy with her spy activity, I sneak and take the magic wand. What can I conjure? What about silver nuts? You'll need walnuts. Paint the shell with silver food coloring. Now, take walnut-shaped cookies. Cover them with the same food coloring. Guess which one is a real nut and which one is its twin cookie. Wind ribbon around the nuts. The cat princess eats a cookie nut. Tasty! She puts the other on the mantel. She shouldn't do that. The crafty unicorn sneaks to replace the cookie nut with the real walnut. The cat blonde can't see the difference. She tries to bite the nut. Oh, it's hard! The magic wand seems to have broken. She leaves it on the mantel. That's what I was going for. My precious is with me again. Let's play hide and seek. I'll try to escape from my friend outdoors. The magic wand will help me do it. Where's this energetic unicorn gone? It's suspicious. How does she happen to get outside so quickly? I'm hunting my friend all around the city. She uses the wand to hide from me, and she succeeds. The magic helps her. She can be anywhere in a moment. Where's this cat princess? I'm bored without her. I should return home and make a firecracker to entertain her. Take an empty foil roll, snip off the top of a balloon, tie a knot. Pull the balloon onto the tube and tape to fasten. Mark off the tube size on self-adhesive paper. Attach it to the tube. Embellish it with silver and golden stars made from self-adhesive paper. Put in rainbow and colored candies. Cover the tube with thin paper. Fasten with a rubber band. Cut off the excess paper. The firecracker fails to work for the first time. Let's use the magic. Well, this is more like it. What could be better than candy confetti? The unicorn and cat princess have eaten too much of the edible ornaments and decorations. They're too tired and bored to even fight for the magic wand. They've fallen asleep, leaving the magic wand on the floor, and the fairy appears. She's furious. She's angry with the girls who have misused her magic wand. She's used to doing good things, and they did nothing but conjured lots of sweets for themselves. In addition to sweets, the wand seems to conjure them excess weight. That's what happens when the magic wand is misused. Magic needs responsibility. Did you like our magic wand? And what about edible ornaments? Write in your comments how you decorate your Christmas tree. Be sure to subscribe, give your thumbs up, and click the bell so you don't miss new festive Christmas videos.